I was very bloated. I felt puffy, swollen almost. I noticed my stomach was just upset all the time, especially after eating. And I immediately would have to use the bathroom after eating, almost as if food was just running right through me.
I had tried, and with Megan, other forms of medicine, including a gastroenterologist. She had a colonoscopy, so she had gone through the regular medical, practices, and just wasn't helping. So Sharon had recommended a GI map test, and I had never heard of that before.
We were told that it would really be able to pinpoint the problem and any sensitivities, any bacteria imbalance, any inflammation, triggers, all of that. And so I was willing at this point to do anything that would give me some sort of an answer.
We were very surprised by the results, how detailed it was. It explained that she had a food sensitivity of gluten.
I had eaten gluten my whole life and never had a problem as far as I knew. And so now being told that I couldn't eat it was shocking. It has changed my outlook on food, because before I was willing to eat something because I liked it, even though maybe I would have a bad reaction. But after working with Sharon and going through the protocol and feeling better and her explaining the importance of it, I was able to realize that it is important what you eat.
I was really impressed working with Sharon because of her knowledge. She, walks the walk and talks the talk. She'll talk to you about, let's say you love a particular, food that you don't want to get rid of. She'll show you other ways to, not feel as though, she's the food police.
I have told a lot of people about Sharon because I think the process and the protocol and working with her was very valuable. And anyone that's having any kind of problem with their stomach or body, and if they think it's food related, get help as soon as possible, because it's easier to start before it's a major problem.
I would definitely recommend Sharon to others, and I actually have recommended Sharon to other people.
Sharon is great as a virtual nutritionist. She really makes time for you. We work together with our schedules, and so I'd recommend her to anybody. I mean, I feel so much better, so I think that's really the key. I think our relationship has grown stronger because it was nice to have my mom with me along the process, so that I wasn't having to explain to her and then, maybe her not understand, or, she walked it with me. So she heard everything Sharon said. She was on all the emails.
You don't want to be, a helicopter mom, but you do want to understand what's happening in the process, because you're worried. And I was really worried, and that's what basically led me to say, Sharon, we need to do this together.